Tip of the week. I'm going to start a new shorter video, possibly each week, with a tip of the week. This week's tip, I say tip, but it's actually 5 tips under one topic, is how to save yourself time and money when filing an application with USCIS. I know that immigration fees are not small now. They went up in 2017, and this administration is trying to raise it again. So it's only going to go up. It's not going to go down. I know that hiring an immigration attorney is not cheap either. Of course, hiring an attorney can save you money in the long run. So I always recommend doing that if at all possible. So it might seem strange that I'm sharing how to save money when trying to get legal status, but there are some steps you can take that will save you money. 1, file as soon as possible. Fees haven't gone up yet, so get your application in before they do. 2, make sure when you file, or your attorney does, make sure that you or your attorney use the most current version of the form. You can go to uscis.gov and check for the most current version. Or you could just Google the form number. For example, I-130, I-45. If you don't file the correct form, your application will be rejected. It might even be denied. Make sure when you file your documents that you submit all required evidence that the government requires. If you don't, you may get a request for evidence, or even worse, a notice of intent to deny. If you have an attorney, they will do this for you. Sign your application. If you do not sign it, it will be rejected and returned to you. Again, do everything you can to not delay the acceptance and processing of your application. Keep in mind, sometimes applications you sign in more than one location, or there are more than one application that you need to submit. Make sure you sign them all. The last tip I've mentioned before in my videos, if you are filing yourself, make sure that you fill out every line in the application. Even the lines that don't apply to you should be filled out with a N\A, which means not applicable. If you do not do this, sadly, USCIS has been rejecting or denying the application. And today, denial means put into removal proceedings. That is not a place you want to find yourself. If there are topics that you would like to know more about, please let us know in the comments. As always, we thank you for your time, your likes, your shares, and your comments, and we hope you stay healthy and well. Until next time.